Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the AK Education System podcast. This is episode 4. If you want to sound more confident and natural in English, this episode is for you. Many English learners use the word very again and again. Very angry, very happy, very tired. But native speakers usually use one strong word instead of very. In this podcast, you will learn better English words that make your speaking sound natural and confident. Please listen till the end because the last words are very useful for daily English. Now, let's start learning. 1. Very angry, furious. Normal English, I am very angry. Better English, I am furious. Example, she was furious when she heard the news. 2. Very upset, distraught. Normal English, he is very upset. Better English, he is distraught. Example, she looked distraught after the accident. 3. Very beautiful, gorgeous. Normal English, she is very beautiful. Better English, she is gorgeous. Example, the view from the mountain was gorgeous. 4. Very cold, freezing. Normal English, it is very cold today. Better English, it is freezing today. Example, it is freezing outside. 5. Very big, massive. Normal English, this building is very big. Better English, this building is massive. Example, they live in a massive house. 6. Very strong, forceful. Normal English, he has a very strong voice. Better English, he has a forceful voice. Example, she gave a forceful speech. 7. Very boring, dull. Normal English, the movie was very boring. Better English, the movie was dull. Example, the lecture felt dull. 8. Very huge, colossal. Normal English, the statue is very huge. Better English, the statue is colossal. Example, it was a colossal mistake. 9. Very noisy, deafening. Normal English, the music was very noisy. Better English, the music was deafening. Example, the crowd was deafening. 10. Very calm, serene. Normal English, she is very calm. Better English, she is serene. Example, the lake looked serene. 11. Very poor, destitute. Normal English, he is very poor. Better English, he is destitute. Example, they helped destitute families. 12. Very ugly, hideous. Normal English, that painting is very ugly. Better English, that painting is hideous. Example, it was a hideous accident. 13. Very cheap, stingy. Normal English, he is very cheap. Better English, he is stingy. Example, he is too stingy to spend money. 14. Very small, petite. Normal English, she is very small. Better English, she is petite. Example, she has a petite figure. 15. Very clean, spotless. Normal English, the room is very clean. Better English, the room is spotless. Example, her kitchen is spotless. 16. Very funny, hilarious. Normal English, that joke was very funny. Better English, that joke was hilarious. Example, the movie was hilarious. 17. Very short, brief. Normal English, the meeting was very short. Better English, the meeting was brief. Example, let us keep it brief. 18. Very quiet, hushed. Normal English, the room was very quiet. Better English, the room was hushed. Example, the crowd became hushed. 19. Very difficult, arduous. Normal English, this task is very difficult. Better English, this task is arduous. Example, it was an arduous journey. 20. Very rich, wealthy. Normal English, he is very rich. Better English, he is wealthy. Example, she belongs to a wealthy family. 21. Very dry, arid. Normal English, the land is very dry. Better English, the land is arid. Example, they live in an arid area. 22. Very expensive, costly. Normal English, this watch is very expensive. Better English, this watch is costly. Example, it was a costly mistake. 23. Very quick, rapid. Normal English, he made a very quick decision. Better English, he made a rapid decision. Example, technology is changing rapidly. 24, very dirty, filthy. Normal English, the floor is very dirty. Better English, the floor is filthy. Example, his clothes were filthy. 25, very bad, awful. Normal English, the weather is very bad. Better English, the weather is awful. Example, I feel awful today. 26, very tall, towering. Normal English, the man is very tall. Better English, the man is towering. Example, towering buildings surrounded us. 27, very smart, intelligent. Normal English, she is very smart. Better English, she is intelligent. Example, he is an intelligent student. 28, very easy, effortless. Normal English, this work is very easy. Better English, this work is effortless. Example, she made it look effortless. 29, very sad, sorrowful. Normal English, he is very sad. Better English, he is sorrowful. Example, she had a sorrowful face. 30, very wet, soaked. Normal English, my clothes are very wet. Better English, my clothes are soaked. Example, I got soaked in the rain. Now you know why native speakers avoid the word very. Strong words make your English strong. Practice a few words every day. Use them in your daily conversations. If you enjoyed this podcast, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. This is the AK Education System Podcast. Thank you for listening. See you in the next episode.